At Bob Boldt HVAC, we take pride in being an excellent choice for HVAC repair in Burnsville, MN services. Our team is committed to delivering high-quality solutions for all your heating, cooling, and refrigeration needs. Are you looking for HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC? What is the purpose of HVAC repair? The purpose of HVAC repair is to ensure that heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems function efficiently, providing optimal comfort and air quality for homeowners and businesses. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we understand that HVAC systems are essential for regulating indoor temperatures, improving air circulation, and maintaining energy efficiency. What is HVAC repair? HVAC repair refers to the process of diagnosing and fixing issues within heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems to ensure they operate efficiently and effectively. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we specialize in providing expert repair services for homeowners and businesses experiencing problems with their HVAC systems. Where is your service area? The communities of Apple Valley, Savage, Bloomington, Eagan, Rosemount, Richfield, Prior Lake, Lakeville, Edina, Mendota Heights, Farmington, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, and Hopkins are among the Minnesota towns that Bob Boldt HVAC is happy to serve. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC located? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, MN 55337, United States. Our phone number is 651300350. Visit our website, https://bobboldt.com/burnsvillehvac/.